Good morning, everybody. Still got dew on the grass and a big old sniffy dog. And yeah, so I was just taking a look here, and I'm seeing that our pot that gets maybe about 40 more minutes of sunlight every morning is doing a lot better as far as blooms than this one. So let's take a closer look here. Go all the way around. The bird who clearly likes to poop here a whole lot, so that might be doing something, I don't know. That's a little bit hot. Hot fertilizer right there, but look at that bundle of blooms. We could throw in some Epsom salts and stuff like that to help out, but for some reason I was kind of thinking that this one would actually do better. I mean, this one's only getting, like I said, about 30-45 minutes more sun every morning. So I'm gonna have to check that out. I'm gonna rotate these and we'll see if that has any bigger, better effect. I strongly doubt it. Maybe these are just the weaker ones. No, that one isn't doing too bad right there. It's a lot of blooms, but I don't really care about blooms this early. In fact, I might pick some of them off because I don't want the plant thinking like, hey, it's go time, it's time to spread, and I want them to grow up first. But look, we're getting our first little tendrils here. And some bird poop. Close-up shot of the bird poop, people. But, the other day I was talking about this. That's some tomato plants coming back. Volunteer plants from last year. It's amazing. Probably take out one of those little side ones there. I don't know about that one. I might keep it. This one, well, we got those right there. I'm kind of inclined to just let it happen. I really don't care. I think this will be one heavy pot, and it's going to need some bracing probably if it has that much going on. And I might have to do some rotating. Just spin the whole pot itself. So that way we make sure everybody gets sun, because I don't want it to get so crowded that you end up with disease from, leaves and all that can't get dried out, can't get that nice purifying sun. So anyways, here's your little 2-pot zone 1 update.